All right, welcome everybody to the Brunch Network. We are at the Silverman Residence in South Philadelphia, and we are here for a special reason. The last brunch that Chris and I did, we promised you a taste test with all the cheap beers, and we're about to bring that to you. Howie, give him a little pan of the room real quick. Ooh. All right, so we have three contestants. Three contestants today that are on this segment, and the first one, you may know him. He recently appeared on the most recent episode of the Brunch. He has a vast knowledge of silver. He owns 4/10 of a Bitcoin, and he started Colin Kaepernick in the 2016 fantasy football semis. His name is Alex Passione. Passione, get up here.
Yeah, there it is.
All right, good luck. All right.
Thanks.
Our next contestant today is our token Jew on the show. He is a big proponent of the locks on a bagel. He owns 6 t-shirts, 3 of which have Joel Embiid's name on them. He trusts the process. He is the Brunch's executive producer, Chad Berman. Chad, get up here.
Shalom, and Mazel Tov.
Did he get a promotion to executive producer?
I'll take the EP. I'll take the EP on.
All right. Our final contestant has a disgusting beard.
Yikes.
He is a failed fantasy football owner. He once stormed out of a Jewish deli unprovoked. He was voted to have the worst Halloween costume of 2017. He is my Brunch co-host, Christopher Malicki.
Yeah. Nobody likes him. What a horrible walk-up music.
All right. Though. Very low energy.
Do I have to stand next to him?
Very low.
You want to switch?
I mean,
all right, so, folks, the rules are simple. We will go through one at a time. Each line here is 1 beer. There are 6 beers. At the end, you will be forced to name each and every one of these 6 beers that you taste. Okay? Take your time with them. We will start with beer number 1, and we will go down the road.
I think I'm gonna do this with my son someday. I'm gonna lock him.
Assuming you're having children.
Yeah, I'll probably stare at him.
It's a bold assumption.
I'm gonna lock him in a room. I'm gonna hand him these 6 beers, and I'm gonna say, "You're not coming out until these are kicked."
Happy 12th birthday.
No, you don't want your, second grader to be the only one on the playground who can't handle this.
That's an excellent point.
I have no idea. I'm just gonna take my
Fuck is it? Ooh,
stack here.
Hey, hit on the doctors though.
Common misconception.
You get that at Kohl's?
Oh, Amazon, man.
That's going in the video.
Is your?
All right, boys. So you've all tried all the beers. Passione's doing some finishing touches.
Yeah, I mean, they all
all right. So
taste the
before this happened, Chris was extremely confident that he was going to be able to nail all 6 of the beers. Chris, how do you feel now?
I feel less confident than I did before.
Less confident. Chaz, how do you feel about being able?
I'm not confident about many things in my life, but this is a lock.
Passione.
These all tasted exactly the same. I have no idea. So,
all right,
forget it.
Beer number 1 on the count of 3. I need the reveal. 1, 2, 3. Let's get a reveal. None of you were right. What? Beer number 1 was Miller Lite.
That sounds like fake news.
Miller Lite, beer number 1.
Bruno Tambioli.
Wait, what did they say?
Caveat.
I said Coors.
We have Rolling Rock signs in here. It's actually in the place of Yuengling. We ended up using Yuengling instead. All right. Beer number 2. Can I get a reveal on beer number 2?
This is the only one we're gonna get.
That one is correct.
Yeah.
Yuengling is number 2.
It's darker.
Yuengling was the dark one.
Okay.
That's the only one I got.
Beer number 3. Can I get a reveal? Miller Lite, we know that's wrong. Passion nails beer number 3. 2 for 3, baby.
I had PBR.
PBR. All right, beer number 4.
I have Miller Lite.
2 Michelobs and a Miller. This one was Bud Light. Beer number 4. Bud Light.
I can't wait. I might get this one.
Beer number 5. Chris says Bud. 2 Coors. Michelob Ultra.
I got
number 5.
I got one.
Drink beer?
And beer number 6 was Coors Light. As always, our winner is Alex Passion with 2 beers correct.
It's like
Congratulations.
You really can't make it up.
That's a wrap.